Good evening, friends. A very warm welcome to another edition, another week of Guru Seva Guruvar. For those who are joining us for the first time, I am Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar. I am a physician, and at the same time, I embrace modalities like Reiki, meditation, chakra healing, chakra balancing, automatic writing, angel therapy, and a lot others. Yes, I do believe that for a perfect body, mind, and spirit coordination, or if we want all of it to be healthy, we want that our intuition should also work. At the same time, our physical body should also be healthy. It's extremely important to have a balance. Hi Sharifa, hi Manisha, Dudeja. Good evening. Thank you so much for taking out time and joining in my Guru Seva. It's because of all of you, because all of you make an effort that I'm able to do my Guru Seva Guruvar. Hi Nidhi Bhandari, happy Thursday, yes, and a very happy Navratra to all of you. I'm sure though this time we are not able to do the pandal hopping and probably as much as a grand way as we are so used to, but the very essence of Durga Puja, very essence of Navratra must be followed. Also, I would like to announce that there has been a wave of people who want to learn automatic writing, and why not? I've always said learn automatic writing. Hi Bhavna Puri, good evening. Hi Mamta Singh. So I've always said learn automatic writing because it's so important to lead a guided life. If you know who your spirit guides are, who your ancestors are, who are guiding you, who are helping you all along, it's so much more better. Whenever you are at crossroads, you can just get into the mode of automatic writing and get their guidance for how you need to proceed in your life. Yeah, so I guess learning automatic writing should be on everybody's agenda. Yes, we are having our automatic writing batch from 21st December, and yes, I teach it in a very, very simple way. You just need to give me 5 hours. Yes, thank you so much Nidhi Bhandari. Thanks for your wishes. So you can learn automatic writing in 5 hours flat. Yes, and then we do a lot of experience. We read for other people as we like to take experiences. Hi Dimple Rawat, good evening. I hope Bhavnapur you are well. Hi Simran, good evening. Yes, so nice that you could take out time. Hello Anil Uncle, thank you so much for joining in. Hi Taruna, hi Roli Anshuman. Yes, I have really benefited from the reading from the previous Thursday. I'm so glad for the guidances asked, for the questions asked. You did not give me answers that would please me, but you gave me oh my god, but you gave me very candid readings. I'm so grateful to you. I hope Roli, see, the thing is, Roli, that here when I'm sitting for Guru Seva, I'm reading the cards. It's not me and it's not you. It's basically what is your karmic lineage, what is your karmic line of action, and what the angels want to guide you. So trust me, never think that I am talking as me, I'm talking as Dr. Aditi. I'm just reading and interpreting the cards for you, right? So I will never give the answers that I want to give. I will only give the answers that the cards are saying. So I'm so happy that these cards, the readings have helped you, because that is exactly the meaning of Guru Seva, right? My request today is to enlighten about the prospects of my husband's. So we are going to come to it later after we've done the meditation. Yes. Hi Preeti Sharma, good evening. Hi Harpreet Brar, good evening. Hi Sharifa Bola. So okay, so let's begin our session as we always do with the meditation. I would request all of you to first put your right hand, put your right palm on your heart chakra and take a nice deep breath in. Please breathe in deeply, and as you breathe in deeply, visualize a beautiful green light expanding in your heart chakra, and slowly exhale, slowly release. Once more, take a deep breath in, and this time when you take a deep breath in into this beautiful emerald green light which is expanding in your heart chakra, ask yourself the question, what is it that I need guidance for today? What is it that I need guidance for today? And slowly exhale out. For the last time, you may take a deep breath in and once more ask the question, what is it that I need guidance for today? And as you exhale, you will write down your questions, and I am right here with my angel cards to answer to the best of my capacity, help interpret the guidances that the angels have for you. Yeah, so yes, for Roli Anshuman, my request today is to enlighten about the prospects of my husband's company in future. Okay, what's the name of your husband, Roli? It would have really helped us. It's always important to write the name of the person for whom we are writing the question, because that is how we are able to channel. But let me see if I am able to channel correctly and if I am able to answer, because the more precise the information there is for the question, the better the answer. Yeah, so let's see for Roli Anshuman's husband, future prospects for his company. Let's see. Okay, so you know what is coming is that his business or his company is going to be good. It's going to prosper, and I can see a lot of abundance and also a lot of contentment because of a work well done. And at the same time, you'll be very happy in your home life, and especially there would be a lot of projects which might be in the pipeline, which you feel, oh God, they are not progressing, and when will they happen? Or the work is under progress but it is not able to finish because of some or the other obstacle. So you will see that all these obstacles are cleared, and you will find good results, wonderful completion of projects. Now for this, there is another help that you can take, and that is about combining. Ask your husband to be a little creative in his approach towards his business, because whenever he's going to sort of combine the traditional viewpoint with something modern, with something new, it is going to really help your husband. Yeah, at the same time, there is a beautiful fossil called Orthoceros. I really bank upon this Orthoceros. You can actually see the fossil of the fish bone. Yeah, so it's a fossil. I have a very tiny one. I like to keep small crystals. So these fossils you can really keep, because they will help your husband really to take firm decisions. There are times when we have to take decisions which might not go well with everyone, and at the same time, it also talks about support from the universe. It talks about a strong backbone which is necessary for running a successful business, right, Roli? So I hope this helps. Yes, Preeti Sharma, please do take out a card for me today. I am desperately looking for a job but no luck. Looking forward to your response. Absolutely, Preeti. I am right here to guide you, and it's not me. I think Sainji is always around to guide all of us, and today being his day, I believe firmly that Sainji always उनकी कृपा हमेशा ही रहती है. So Preeti, let's look at it. When will Preeti get a job? Yes. So Preeti, the guidance that is coming through from me to you is that you need to simply assert your independence and creativity and just go all out trying to get a job, because yes, you will get a job. Just be a little more energetic, just be a little more forthcoming, reach out to people, look up. If you have posted your resumes, please look out for them, please ask them, call. So the more enthusiasm you show, the more energy you show, the more passion towards your work for which you are applying you show, I think that is going to really help you. At the same time, I would say that please either you can download the picture of the Kamdhenu cow, or you can get a Kamdhenu cow in marble, which you will very easily get in a lot of puja stores, and you can keep it in the northeast direction of your house, because that will help you get a good job. It will help you get good income also. So I hope you benefit from this tip as well. Yes, Preeti Sharma, yes, absolutely. I was talking about automatic writing. You should definitely learn. I think it's really beneficial for everyone, because it's an art where you can lead a guided life. You can also help others. You can always get answers for so many other people, for your loved ones. You can also make it your profession where you can help others, and it's really gratifying, right? So yes, you must learn, and I would love to teach you. So as you know, the date is 21st of December, so give yourself this New Year's gift, Preeti Sharma. Yes, Harpreet Brar, good evening, ma'am. Please read my father-in-law, Gurbaj Singh's aura. Okay. See, I feel there is his throat chakra, the back of his throat chakra is definitely impacted. That is all. That also means his upper shoulder. So there are a lot of thoughts in his mind, and he feels, that something should be done this way. But then his heart says no, not this way. It should be done this way. So there would be an issue at times about his communication skills. And when I am talking about communication, I am not only talking about verbal communication. It can also be non-verbal communication. So yes. Maybe at times he's unable to really put forth his point, but trust him that he is actually trying to convey something, and there might be some confusion in his mind which he is unable to sort out and say, right? So there is this throat chakra which is a little imbalanced. So blue is the color of the throat chakra. Blue is the color of the throat chakra. So if you can keep something blue besides him, it would be nice. If you can wear some blue clothes, that would also be nice. So you can look up and see what all you can incorporate. Hi Sharifa Bola, I met the guy who was to get me the job. A requirement has to be a requirement has been to complete a course, and I have till end Jan. I just cannot concentrate and complete this course, and it's very important. Any guidance for me? Okay, so let's see. Well, Sharifa, you are saying that there is a job which requires a certain course to be complete, and you're trying to complete the course, but you are unable to really focus on it, right? So let's see what is the blockage and what do you need to do to complete the course, because completing the course is the basic requirement. Yeah. So guidance that comes out is that Sharifa, you are still not out of a certain trauma or a tragedy. There is a certain sadness in you, and you have to take time out to first heal your own inner child, heal your own inner self, because that is what is important. First we need to forgive ourselves, forgive others. Only then you can move ahead and do something new. Then you can open a new I can say a new casket to see what is inside it. So first and foremost, take out time to heal yourself. If you do Reiki, please do it on your own. If you cannot do it on your own, please take help from people who do Reiki or who do energy healing or who clean your chakras, who can help clean your chakras. So that would be really important. If you also believe in Akashic, if you believe in the karmic theory of life, that means the soul is born and reborn, and when we are born for basically neutralizing our karmas, right? So you can also get into Akashic records. So yes, the whole idea is that you got to first forgive yourself, forgive others, close the past. Only then you will be able to move forward. Yes, Sharifa, I hope this helps. Yes, Divya Agarwal Gupta, my husband is working with EY. He is on a good post. He is into mergers and acquisitions, but deals are not getting done. Please tell me when everything shall be fine with him. Divya Agarwal. So his name is Amit Gupta, right? So your Amit Gupta is working with EY. He's on a good post. He's into mergers and acquisitions, but deals are not getting done. Okay, so let's see how we can help Divya's husband, and let's see what is the blockage. You know what? He needs a lot of compassion, Divya. What is happening is that he is wanting a lot of things to happen. He is wanting a lot of things to happen and happen the way he thinks that this should happen, but life doesn't work that way. So the card that is coming out is that he has great inner strength. He is tremendous, as they say, उनमें बहुत spiritual strength भी है, and he has a lot of discipline also. So you know what, he needs to really use all the wise judgment to do it, but at the same time, you know what, he has to do it with compassion, because right now he's on a very impatient level. He just wants to get it done. Something should happen and 1, 2, 3 things should happen, but that is not what it is. Things definitely will happen, and you know what, he's guided. There is a lot of wisdom. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको नहीं पता है कि इस चीज़ में हमको थोड़ा आराम से ही चलना पड़ता है, बहुत जल्दबाजी करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, लेकिन अभी नहीं है, because you know what he has to carry. What is coming is that there are the other people who are involved. They have a lot of karmic balance left there, and that is why they are not able to take the leap. And so he needs to really hold his horses. He needs to give them time. He needs to be very compassionate. And if he feels that this is not working out, he needs to just give time. Probably he needs to wait another 2 to 3 months, Divya, before he can really be on a roll. What I would actually say is that, you know, what you can do is keep this green aventurine crystal if you can have it, because green aventurine is really a very pretty and a very beautiful stone. I thought generally like rough cut, so I have these, you know, directly from the earth. So you can keep this green aventurine because it is the stone which also triggers the heart chakra. It triggers your compassion center. It you know, activates it. At the same time, it also helps you get the deals which are, you know, made for you, in the sense where you are required, because, you know, karmically you will get involved with those deals which are for you. You know, you are destined to sort of deal with them, right? So you can look up green aventurine. You can keep a small green aventurine in his pocket or on his work table, and it will help. Yes, Nidhi Bhandari, hello Aditi, please give angel guidance for my mom's health. Her name is Bhagwati Bhandari, of course. Yes, let's look up for Bhagwati Bhandari ji's health, Nidhi Bhandari's mom. Yeah, so this card that pops up is, see, you know, she needs to relax a lot. Yes, Nidhi, there's a lot going on in her mind, and you know what, she needs to understand that yes, there is, you know, if we need money, we have adequate money. There is financial abundance, there is prosperity, and किसी चीज़ की कोई कमी नहीं है. उनको, you know, थोड़ा सा mentally relax होना ज़रूरी है, उनको थोड़ा सा calm होना ज़रूरी है. She needs to find magic in the little things of life, you know. What she is probably wanting, you know, वो थोड़ा सा बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रही हैं. लेकिन at the same time ये ज़रूर है कि, you know, you have to take advice, you have to take a second opinion for her. That is also coming out. You need to definitely look out for advice, and there would be something that you know, would come out, but it's not something so, you know, right there that you can see and diagnose it. So yes, for your mother's health, you definitely need to take advice, but at the same time आपको अपनी मदर को ये कहना है कि वो चिंता ना करे. वो बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रही है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा चिंता कर रही है, right? So what you can also give her is the red jasper. It's a beautiful crystal which helps leave aside your insecurities. You know, once your insecurities are taken care of, then I think we all can lead a good health. Yes, Mamta A, hi Aditi. Nowadays I am feeling alone. What are my cards saying? Yes, sure, let's ask what are your cards saying and what is the guidance for you. Mamta A's cards. Yes, Mamta, what is the card that is coming up is that there is a lot of work that you are taking up. There is a lot of work that you are handling, but you need to, you know what, accept help from others, because your life is totally out of balance. You need to slow down a bit. You need to delegate your work, and you need to accept it that, okay, you know, the work that other people are going to do, it's going to have their stamp on it. It will not have Mamta A's stamp on it. So there are times when you have to say it's all right, right? The other person that did it to the best of his capability, which may not be absolutely according to you. So you may definitely have these health related concerns. You might have insomnia, you might have anxiety, you might have stress, and all these things are simply stress related. The moment you delegate, the moment you know, sort of start calming down, do pranayam, do some meditation, do some gardening. I think gardening is one of the best ways to move out of this zone of feeling alone. Yeah. Yes, Manisha Adudeja, please, I want guidance regarding an issue in the sale of a house. Wanted to know if the stand that I have taken regarding this issue is rightly taken. Okay, so there is an issue regarding the sale of your house, and you want to know that the stand that you've taken, is it right or no? Yeah, so let's see what Manisha, what guidance comes out for Manisha. So is the stand that she has taken for the house right? Is the stand that Manisha has taken for the house, is it right? So yes, the decision that you have taken, Manisha, you have the ability to take good business decisions, you know, but the thing is that sometimes you're either very cautious or you are very frivolous with money. So that is where you need to be a little cautious. But जो decision आपने लिया है, जो आपने सोचा है, वो काफ़ी अच्छा है, वो काफ़ी it definitely looks very good. या बट एट द सेम टाइम इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए थोड़ा सा आप समय दें, बिकॉज अलाउ अ लिटिल मोर टाइम, बिकॉज यू नो मनीषा, देयर इज समथिंग मोर दैट इज दैट you are not able to see right now. So thoda sa time there, and what I mean is maybe 2 weeks to 2 months. That is what is coming out. And you know what is going to help you to get answers is giving. Either you can give food to the less fortunate ones, to the laborers, or but don't give it to the maids, Manisha Dudeja. Generally what happens is whenever हमें कुछ दान करना होता है, we give it to our maids only. Don't give it to somebody who is going to come back into your house. So if you want to give it to somebody in your locality, please give it to the guard who is outside, who does not enter your house. Yeah, so what is going to help you be much more firmer in your decision, much more clearer in your decision, much more guided, and also know if there is something more जो आप तक बात पहुंची नहीं है, जो आपको पता नहीं है, जिसको आपने कंसिडर नहीं किया है, so please feed some laborers. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I would definitely want to know what exactly happened. Thank you so much and best of luck. Yes, Kaushik Sharma. Hi Aditi, how are you? I'm absolutely good. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for finding time on a Thursday to join in and help me complete my Guru Seva Guruvar, which I do as a mark of respect for Sai Ji Maharaj. Yeah? So I want my guidance, and I just want to know if I will get a long time for an assignment. Okay, so Kaushik Sharma is wanting to know if he will get a long time for an assignment. Yeah. So let's see what the cards have to say. Kaushik Sharma, long time for an assignment. You know what is coming out is that Kaushik Sharma, whatever you are thinking definitely is achievable, but you know, for that you will get help from people who are around you, right? And there is a lady who is senior in position or who is very wise. Badi si hai, she must be like above 45-50 in a senior position, because she is the one who can really give you what sensible approach you can have to this and how you can manage it, right? And you know what, there are going to be a lot of challenges when you are going to approach this for an assignment that you want or you are wanting, but please deal with the challenges in a very kind and an understanding manner. Whatever challenges are thrown your way, Kaushik, try and be a little more patient, try and be calm in those situations, because everything is going to fall in place soon. Yeah, but as I said, there is some senior member either in your office or at your home who definitely can help you get this long time for an assignment. Yeah. So I hope this helps, Kaushik. Hi Taruna SR, need some guidance from my departed husband. His name is Shiv. Okay, so let us get this guidance for Taruna from Shiv. Is if Shiv is willing to give guidance, because as you know, Taruna, it's not always that souls want to talk, and they might not want to talk for various reasons, right? So let's think about it. Okay, so he basically says that you are very, very stressed out and you need to drink a lot of water, and you need to definitely go out for long walks. He definitely feels that you are over stressed out, you are taking a lot of stress or tension about something, and you need to just flush that those stressful elements from your entire system. You need to drink a lot of water and go out and walk in the greens. Yeah, I hope this helps, Taruna. Hi Steve, good evening. So sorry for this. Yes Preeti, I've already read your card. Hi Seek, looking very bright. Of course, thank you so much. It's Navratri time and I think today is Shashti, tomorrow is Saptami. Of course, अब बाहर तो जा नहीं सकते, तो हम लोग घर ही रह के trying to enjoy as much as we can. Yes, really, I've already answered Harpreet. Yes, I've already read his aura. Mamta, I have already read. Hi Divya Basim, can you share any guidance for me today? Absolutely, Divya. Whenever we feel that we need guidance, the best way is to ask the angels, because the angels are always here, always ready to share the guidance, right? So yes, Divya, what is coming out is that you need to take a little more sensible approach than what you are You might be dealing with a lot of things, and actually you are dealing with a lot of obstacles, lot of challenges, but you have to be a little more kind and understanding, because there are others who are involved in the challenges. And there are times when we only look at our own self, Divya. We forget that the other person is also going through his or her own journey. So the guidance that is coming out is that yes, you need to be a little more thoughtful, a little more warm, and a little more sensible, which you already are. But in this kind of a challenging situation, you are getting a little more impatient. So try to rein in, try to be a little more calm, try to be a little more understanding, and see how you are able to manage all the crises and all the challenges in a more creative manner. Yeah, so best of luck from our side. Hello Monica ma'am, thank you so much for joining in. I mean, it's always a pleasure to meet old friends here on this forum, because these days, since we can't go anywhere, Facebook has become a medium where we can also say hi to our own friends. And of course, Aurangabad connection is so close to my heart. I hope you are good, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, Rolly, thanks so much. So grateful. Yes, Sangeeta Mahajan Kumar, good evening. Thanks for joining in. It's always a pleasure when old friends watch. Hi, Sangeeta. I hope you are doing good. Yes, thanks, Preeti. Yes, Sharifa, I have already answered your question. Yes, Arpita Mehta, good evening. Hi, ma'am. Please do reading for my mother-in-law, Gulshan Mehta. Would like to know about ups and downs in our relationship, and please guide too. Okay, so the thing is that for your mother-in-law Gulshan Mehta, I can so you want me to do a reading. Let's ask the angels what is the blockage between the relationship between you and your mother-in-law. Yeah, so there's another, what is coming out is that there are traditional viewpoints and traditional methods which are actually clashing with the new mindset, with the new kind of situation. So the guidance that is coming out is please seek out mentors and like-minded friends who will be able to guide you. At the same time, you need to be able to defend your beliefs. Yes, Arpita, you need to be able to defend your beliefs with a lot of passion, with a lot of enthusiasm. Carry on. See, you are a very warm person, but at times what happens is you need to stand your own ground. Yeah, but please don't make it into a battlefield. The guidance that is coming out is that you need to, it's written on the card, choose your battles wisely. And I think that goes for all of us. But right here, because here, there was one card which came out and there was another card which just fell out. So I picked that up also, because whenever another card falls out, that means the guidance is incomplete. The guidance needs a little more something. So I picked out the second card also. And so, of course, the clash is of the traditional viewpoint and the modern viewpoint. But at the same time, the guidance that comes for you is please stand and defend your beliefs and decisions, because yes, you value them, but at the same time, don't make it into a battlefield. Please choose your battles very, very wisely. Yes, and if you're looking at doing something about the relationship, please, what I would say is get this rose quartz. Rose quartz is a very pretty crystal and a very beautiful crystal. You can get a bracelet, or you can get 2 hearts made up of rose quartz. You can get it at any crystal store or Arpita Mehta. You can put it in the southwest area of your house, or you can even put it in the east zone of your house, because east zone में रखने से हमसे जो बड़े होते हैं उनका हमको आशीष मिलता है, उनका हमको आशीर्वाद मिलता है, right? So you can always put those 2 hearts in the east direction also of rose quartz, and every day when you look at them, you definitely can visualize that you and your mother-in-law are having a great relationship, and I'm sure it will improve in some time. Yeah, so Dimple Rawat, could you please share angelic guidance how I'll find my soul destination? Okay, that's a very pretty wording, because generally people write about how will I find my soulmate. So here is about soul destination. Dimple Rawat, you gave me a very beautiful term to remember today evening. Thank you so much. So Dimple Rawat, how she will find her soul destination? Okay, so you know what, this is a very beautiful time and a very wonderful time to go in search of your soul destination, and your soul destination is going to be found out with a lot of guidance and a lot of mentors, and you're going to get very good opportunities are going to present to yourself, so that you can explore them, move ahead, and you will also need to see things from a different perspective. Whatever is offered in front of you right now, to I think for the next 6 to 8 months are going to be wonderful opportunities for your soul destination, right? So please pick up those opportunities, but at the same time try to look at them from a different perspective. You might feel that nothing's working right now, or nothing is really giving you a good sort of a judgment or direction, but that is all a temporary thing, right? Just be your own self. And yes, there would be some elderly person, elderly man who is very settled, who's very sensible, who will be very, very practical, very realistic, a responsible gentleman who can help you in finding your soul destination. Yes, so if some guru turns up in that avatar, do recognize your guru as well. Yes, Dimple. Yes, Sandy Bhatia, hello. Yes, Seep Merotra, please share the guidance of angels for my work. Okay, so let's look up guidance for Seep's work. Yeah. So guidance for Seep's work. How is going to be Seep's work panning out? You know what, Seep, you're going to fall in love with your profession once again. You're going to really, there are going to be lovely feedbacks that you are going to get. You're going to get wonderful pointers on how your healings have helped others, how your sharing has helped others. And there will be enhanced intuition. You will love what you do, and in fact you will actually feel that you have learned something new. What I can see is you've learned something new जिसमें आपका बहुत मन है, where your heart resides in it. So what you're doing is really for emotional, spiritual, and it will cause your spiritual growth as well. And at the same time, some of your past relationships will re-enter your life, or you might remember them and you might heal them and let them go. So this is a very beautiful time for you. And in some time you will feel that yes, this new beginning that you've done very, very recently, I can see that there's something new that you've done, and that new course or new skill that you've acquired, you are going to really go forward with that in a very, very good way. So yes, it's a great card for your work. Yeah. Yes, Harpreet Brar. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. I like those hearts. I like the flowers, and thanks for the leaves. Thank you for that heart as well. Thank you so much. Yeah, Sandy Bhatia. Guidance required for my professional life. Okay, let's ask the angels as to what is the guidance that they would like to give you for your. I'm so sorry for the phone call. I think I've forgotten to switch off the ringtone. Yes, Sandy Bhatia, that what the guidance that is coming is that there are some very new brilliant ideas or inspirations that have just come to you, and you are really guided to take all of them forward, and they are all in your mind, and you're trying to sort them out and put them out in a proper way so that it makes sense. At the same time, that it is a challenging beginning. It's a challenging time how to begin, or how to sort of put forth those ideas. उनको कैसे शुरू करें, उनको शुरू करना या वो आइडियाज़ को काम में लाना, laying the as they say, laying the road or starting the journey is going to be a little challenging. So you see the truth, the beauty is कि आपको पता है कि थोड़ी सी मुश्किलात हैं, but you know what, you're ready to take them on. So whatever the seed that you have sown, whatever this new thought process has started, it is right now in the mind, and it is challenging, but the beautiful part is you are ready to take it on. So yes, I can see a new beginning in your professional life. I hope this helps. Yes, Zoeb Bola, good evening. Hi, Dr. Aditi, wanted to say hello. Yes, absolutely, same here. I am so used to seeing you every Thursday, though as I've always mentioned that managing the different time zones and still joining in, I appreciate your effort. Thank you so much, Zoeb. I wanted to say hello, my meeting went well. Oh, very nice, and I followed your feedback and it was perfect. Oh wow, that is another good feedback. The best part about you is you always come back and give me the feedback, and that's called instant gratification. I have a follow-up meeting on the 1st. Okay, so let's see what we can look at for 1st November, right? Let's see how you need to do on 1st on this follow-up meeting. You know what, Zoeb, it's a little tough card, but the point is that they are going to test you. They're going to test you if what you have said, or what are your beliefs, what are your decisions, what you think, are you going to stand up for them? Do you think that they are fair and just decisions? So please understand that this meeting on 1st, they are going to look it up, that are you the person who is going to do a fair deal? Are you the person who is going to take good decisions, who can weigh things in a proper manner and then take decisions? Or you're just very impulsive, or very you just want to finish a deal and move ahead? So they are going to look at that. So yes, definitely, if they definitely put across something very weird, please stand up for your beliefs. Please know that standing up for your beliefs is very, very important. The card is here which says that see, you protected. Understand this, you are protected, but at the same time you need to do what is right. You cannot take any nonsense. Yeah, so definitely guard yourself. And I would definitely say that if you can, please have this crystal called black tourmaline. You get bracelets also of black tourmaline. So if you can carry a small piece of black tourmaline which is with you in your pocket, or you can have a bracelet, or you can have a small pendant in your neck, it would help you, it would protect you. Yeah, at the same time it would help you deal with whatever is coming in your way. Yes, so best of luck for the 1st, and let's see. Yes, Sharifa, thank you ever so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. Yes, Simran Kaur, Aditi, guidance for me. If I should go in for professional opportunity that will change the course for my career, will it be beneficial? Okay, so the question Simran Kaur is asking is, if she should go in for a professional opportunity that can change the course for her career, yeah, and will it be beneficial? So should Simran be changing? Okay, Simran, the card that has come out is that there are a lot of options that you have, and all the options are heart tugging options. सब जगह हमारा दिल थोड़ा थोड़ा कहीं अटका है ना सिमरन. सो द गाइडेंस दैट इज कमिंग इज कि जो आपके दिल को भाए, द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट रियली काइंड ऑफ makes your heart skip a beat and you say कि नहीं, इसके बिना तो नहीं चलेगा. Please try to look at that, but at the same time there is a need to do research. Please आप इसको ऐसे ही ना ले लें. सिर्फ ये मत सोचें कि okay, this is the most lucrative or this is really looking better. No, I know there are options, but this is a very, very complex decision. This is not an easy decision. There are a lot of factors that you need to consider. So I would say take 2 weeks at least before you finally come to a decision, and please do a lot of this research, and stop thinking and procrastinating, because that is not going to leave that's not going to give you anything. So stop procrastinating, but do a lot of research. And as I said, please try and look कि आपका दिल कहाँ है. That is going to be the internal radar. Yeah, Simran? So let us know what exactly you decide. But as I said, please wait for 2 weeks. Hey Jyoti Naran, good evening. Thank you so much. I was, I'm just showing everybody the crystals which I have, some of which I have got from you. So it's so nice to have our crystal lady, my crystal lady here on my FB Live. What more? Thanks so much for joining in. Yes, Nidhi Bhandari. Yes, I agree. She needs to relax and stop worrying about the finances. Thank you for your guidance. Oh, that's really nice. Thanks so much, Nidhi, for writing it down immediately. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Jyoti Narang, any angelic guidance for me this week? Of course. We have angels, and angels are always there to guide us, isn't it, Jyoti? So let's ask the angels for guidance for Jyoti for this week. It's going to be a beautiful week. It's going to be a sunny week. You're going to really, really flower. Everything that you wished for, the way you want the day to go, the day will go like that only. Yeah, you want some peace, you will get peace. You want to meet somebody, you can meet somebody. You want to call up somebody, you want to relax. So basically I can see that a lot of spirituality is going to emerge in this week. You're going to be very, very grateful for all the blessings that the Lord has given you. And I can also see you will elevate yourself on a pedestal. You will elevate yourself in your spiritual and emotional life. That is the hallmark of this week. You will feel very good about it. At the same time, please understand that you are protected. You are very, very protected. So if by chance you feel that you want to do something, but you feel, oh my god, if I do this, then I might miss this, understand that you are not going to miss anything, because you are going to be protected and everything is right there for you as you want it. Just have confidence in yourself and move ahead. Yes, Divya Arora, thank you. From where can I get green aventurine stone? So Divya, you can get in touch with me on 9650047734, and you can get green aventurine from us, or you can always look up Amazon and you will find a lot of green aventurine tumble stones or rough cut stones there. And yes, that's the way to go. Yeah, Mamta, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Divya Agarwal, ma'am, my date of birth. I don't need the date of birth, Divya. Please give me some guidance for my own self. Okay, let's see it. Let's get some guidance for Divya. Yes, Divya, you know what? This is a very good time for you. So, whatever is your heart's desire, just sort of make sure that you tell the universe that this is what you desire, and trust me, the universe is going to give it to you. It's going to assist you in making all your dreams come true. Yeah, it is a very, very happy and a successful time for you. So go all out, dream, and whatever you dream, know that if you put those things in action, if you put all those desires in action, you definitely can benefit out of it. Yeah, so enjoy your week. Yes, Manisha, thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, Malaji, thank you so much for joining in today evening. I know it's Navratras and you celebrate it with a lot of Shraddha, but still you've joined, and I'm really happy. You made my day. Hi Megha Saini, good evening. Hello Lalita. Shared, can you please tell me, have I met my life partner? I would be grateful. Okay, Lalita Setu Raman, let us ask the angels if you have met your life partner. Yeah, so has Lalita met her life partner? You know what, the card that is coming out to me is, it says that you are being you're really focusing a lot on as they say, the material aspects of things. So the guidance that is coming out is that please move away from this. This is not the time to really think about all these things, because there are a lot of negative and fear-based thoughts that you have, which you need to move away from, and that is when the whole mask will fall off and you will realize what exactly you are looking for. So my card, very surprisingly, though I have asked for a yes or no card for you because you asked a yes or no question, but as I've always maintained that the angels know best what is the advice that we need. So the angels are saying that you need to move away from fear-based or negative thoughts, and at the same time you are focused on the material aspects of things. Look into the more soulful aspects of life, more spiritual and more long-lasting, non-tangible, yet very life essential aspects. Yes, Lalita, I'm sorry if I've hurt you, but that's the guidance that came and I have to read the guidance that comes. Hello Malaji, good evening. Hi Nisha Jaggi, good evening. Thank you so much for joining in. I know Thursdays are busy for you. Hello Pooja Kataria. Hello ma'am, angelic guidance for me please. Absolutely, Pooja, let's just ask the angels if they have a guidance for you. If not, I'm sorry, they will have a guidance for you. Let's ask the angels what is the guidance that they have for Pooja Kataria. Yes, Pooja. So this is a very beautiful card. The thing is that you are being pulled into many directions. You are doing a lot of things. You are managing a lot of things. But what is coming out is that you need to take a step back, chill out a little, relax a little, find the fine balance between working or doing things for others and also doing things for your own self. At the same time, you are trying to finish a lot of things. Please don't try and finish. Wait for the perfect time. It's important that everything that you want to do, understand that everything has a time. Like the people who have to walk into our life, they are going to walk into our life at a perfect time. So as they say now, all in divine timing. So aram se, dheere dheere, ask for cooperation. Ask for cooperation. People are there to help you. So सब कुछ अपने आप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is just a need for moderation. There is a need for for you to relax, to take life as it comes, not to hurry. Yes, Pooja, that's the guidance. Yes, Taruna, thank you so much. Hello, Bhavna Jam, good evening. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram. Aura reading for me. Okay, Bhavna. So, Bhavna, I feel it's your solar plexus and your hara chakra, your stomach. I don't know if you've eaten out and something is wrong, or there is acidity, gases, or mainly, there is some digestive issue. There are certain emotions, there are certain things in your life that you are not able to really, do away with. There are certain emotions which are not really going well with you. So yes, your solar plexus and your hara chakra, that is your belly, requires, healing. So yes, if you are into Reiki, if you are into energy healing, if you are into meditation, do that. Otherwise, there is a beautiful sunstone which you can always use, and there is this beautiful citrine, my favorite ones. So you can use both these stones. They are going to really help you understand what is going on with your relationship with your own self and what is happening with your relationship with others. At the same time, it will iron out things. Citrine and sunstone will get you help also, get you business also, but it will also help you understand. It will help you release all the pent up issues that are there in your life. Yes. So I think I will take last question and then I'm going to wind up the session for today. So the last question for today is from Megha Saini. Please provide angelic guidance for me. Please for hurdle in my career. Okay. So let's look up what is the hurdle in Megha Saini's life. You know what, Megha, the thing is that you're a very emotional person. You cannot just do things practically. Okay, fine, I have a job, I have a career, I go in the morning, I come back in the evening, and that's about it. You really put your heart and soul into it. You are a very emotional person, and so you will do something jahan aapka dil hai. Without heart, you cannot really operate, right? But you know what? Right now, even if there are a lot of things around you, you might get jobs, but you have a desire to move away from what is there. You are looking for something much more meaningful, much more spiritual, and something that is going to help you grow emotionally as well as spiritually. That is what you are looking for. So yes, this is the hurdle in your career, that you are looking for something much more deeper than just a job, just a career, a 9-to-5 job which earns you money. You want it कि वो दिल से आप काम करो, दिल से हम पैसा आए and everything, right, Megha? So that's it. Mala ji, you know what, that was my last question, Megha ji ka, but now that I've seen your name, it is not within me कि मैं आपका जो हुक्म है, आपका आदेश है, आपका जो प्यार है, उसको मैं छोड़ के जा सकूं. I really have a lot of, I adore you a lot, Mala ji. For me, अगर बिल्कुल you are like my mother and my mother's age, so if you ask me, I can never move. अगर मैंने नहीं देखा तो ठीक है, भूल चुक है, लेकिन मेरे आंखों के सामने आपका सवाल है और मैं जाऊँ, ये हो नहीं सकता. So yes, your question will be today's last question. So your angelic guidance for you for this week, let us just see it. So let's see what the angels have in store for Malaji for this week. So माला जी, there is something that you are thinking. कुछ आप सोच रही हैं जिसके लिए जिसका आपको पता है कि थोड़ा सा वो चैलेंजिंग है, थोड़ा सा उसमें दिक्कत आ सकती है. But you know what, you are such a clear-headed person. You have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of, आपका जो thought process है उसमें बहुत सारी आपको पता है कि अगर मैं ऐसे करूँगी तो ऐसे होगा, ऐसे करूँगी तो ऐसे होगा. लेकिन you know what, you have a very beautiful family. You have a very rewarding family. So yes, ऑल योर इमोशंस, आपके इमोशंस की कद्र करने वाले लोग हैं, ट्रस्ट वर्दी रिलेशनशिप से, तो ऑफकोर्स दे विल हेल्प यू, they will help you, they will help you see the truth of the situation, and you will be able to sort of क्या कहते हैं, अपने दिमाग में जो भी आपके आइडियाज़ आ रहे हैं, जो भी सोच आ रही है, जो भी दिक्कत आपके सामने खड़ी हो रही है, उसको हील करने के लिए, उसको हटाने के लिए आपकी पूरी फैमिली आपके साथ खड़ी है. एंड इन द एंड यू आर गोइंग टू फील रियली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ वंडरफुल फैमिली, Mala ji. Yes, so I hope this guidance for the week helps you also, Mala ji. Thank you so much for joining in today evening. Yeah. So friends, with this I would like to wind up today's session of Guru Seva Guruvar, which I do every Thursday as my respect to Sainji Maharaj, in whom I believe and trust a lot. But before winding up, of course, I want to say thank you to all the people who are doing Navratra Naman session with us for all the 9 days of Navratra. On Ashtami, we are going to do the Jap Mala and meditation for Ma Durga, with Ma Durga, for all of us. At the same time, yes, we are going to do the automatic session, automatic writing simplified session from 21st of December. So if you wish to join, you can connect on me, connect with me on 96500 47734. All the information is already there on this page. I hope it benefits you. Yes, wishing you all a very happy Navratra, a very happy Dashera. Yeah, bye bye. Take good care of yourself.